Hey, how you doing? Ryan J here, providing you massive life-changing value in the form of increasing your sense of responsibility and accountability. Now, I've put together eight short videos on character traits that you will identify with and then being able to work on these, knowing how by practicing and getting better at these character traits will increase your responsibility and accountability, not only to yourself, but to others. So as you're watching the videos, highly recommended that you have a pen and a paper ready to take notes, jot these down about you and your personal strengths, or if this is a weakness or something that you can work on. Then at the end, we'll review the notes. So why would you want to increase responsibility and accountability? Well, it's going to help you practice taking ownership, learn how to stop making excuses, mostly for yourself and for other people around you, learning how to delay gratification. So, in every single video or in each segment, there are notes down below through my lens and how I perceive that. Use those as your guideline. If it makes sense and you vibe with it, fantastic. Or it may point you in the other direction, like that's not exactly how I see it, but here's how I see these character traits in accordance with responsibility and accountability. Now, this is a self-learning packet for you. Okay, you can ingest the content, but unless you actually take action on it, it's of no avail. Then you just watched some super cool videos on accountability and responsibility. So I guess part of you're accountable for yourself to be responsible to take actions on what you are about to learn.